solution. Okay, we're going to apply a quadratic equation formula, which is equals to x minus b plus or minus to the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. The value for a in the equation is what? 3. The value for b in the equation is minus 2. And the value for c in the equation is minus 8. Right, so substitute this figure now into the equation. Therefore, x is equals to minus into the bracket of minus 2, because there's minus already, be careful, plus or minus, we have minus 2 squared minus 4 times 3 times sorry, let me create the space properly. Right, we are now going to substitute it properly. X is equals to minus 2 plus or minus, we have minus 2 squared minus 4 times 3, which is value for a, times 8. Our 8 is minus, our c is minus 8. Alright, all over 2 times 3. Now x is equals to minus times minus is plus. Alright, plus or minus. Minus 2 squared is 4. Okay, then we have 4 times 3 is 12. We're going to have minus 12 times minus 8 all over 6. Sorry, all over 6. Now we come to this point. Our x is equals to 2 plus or minus all over 4 minus 12 times minus 8. We're going to have 6 here, which is 16 carry 1 times this, so it will be 96. But here will be plus, because minus times minus is plus. Alright, so all over 6. Our x is equals to 2 plus or minus all over plus or minus square root of 100 all over 6. Our x is equals to 2 plus or minus 10 all over 6. Therefore, our x is equals to 2 plus 10 over 6, or 2 minus 10 over 6. And therefore, our x is equals to 12 over 6, or minus 8 over 6. At the end, we have our x to be 2 or minus 4 over 3 as the correct answer.